Hello friends, I'm happy we are meeting again after a while. Here is our AK7DOLL to welcome you all. Hi doll, how are you?
I'm good, how about you?
Equally good.
That's good. So hey everyone, my name is AK7DOLL TV and welcome to Konjaneram and welcome to another collaboration.
Good. Doll, this segment 2 is in continuation of the previous corresponding session. Now, 3 syllable words.
Alright.
Calculate.
Calculate.
Gentleman.
Gentleman.
Holiday.
Holiday.
Okay, fine. 4 syllable words.
Alright.
Population. Satisfaction.
Population. Satisfaction.
Unemployment.
Unemployment.
Population.
Population.
Here also I would like to throw light on a particular point. Population. Pew.
Population.
Population is American. Population is British.
Population.
No, not like that. So that U sound is there, no? That will be YU in the case of the British usage.
Yes.
But in the case of the American usage, it is U. New. N-E-W, new.
Yes.
But in the American accent, it is no. Population, British. Population, American. Student, British. Student, American. Can you tell me? Now, differentiate and tell me. See, student, student. Student, student.
Student. Student.
Yeah. Student, British. Student, American. Satisfaction.
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction, British. Satisfaction, British. Satisfaction, American.
I say satisfaction.
British. Satisfaction, American.
I'm a mix of British, Australian, American, who knows?
Okay. Satisfy, satisfy.
Satisfy.
Satisfy, satisfy. Okay, fine.
Satisfy. Satisfy.
But that sound is no half a D sound, not full D sound. It's not a full D sound.
So
it's a half a D
satisfy.
sound. Okay. Satisfaction. Unemployment.
Unemployment.
Okay. Population. Satisfaction.
Population. Satisfaction.
Unemployment.
Unemployment.
Shall we have a halt here?
Yes, let's have a halt here.
Okay.
Alright guys, see you in the next video and make sure to like, share, subscribe to Konjaneram channel and my channel AK7DOLL TV. Now, collaboration with Konjaneram English with AK7DOLL TV. See you in the next video. Bye!